Wagwan everyone, my name is Kunchi and this is Cooking with Kunchi. Today, this video is going to come out a little bit late, but this is a Christmas special. You know, this is going to be in my holiday series. Today I'm making prime rib on the smoker. Prime rib is one of those cooks that can be very intimidating. It's beef, so you know, everybody has different taste. Me personally, I prefer like medium well. So today I'm going to be making a 6-pound prime rib smoked on the smoker. My smoker right now is going. This is a offset Oklahoma Joe's Highland smoker, and I want to get it up to between 250 to 275. That's where I want to be cooking. I'm going to be smoking that on a bed of carrots. I'll show you how I am prepping with some salt, pepper, garlic. I had this curing in the refrigerator for about 5 days with, covered just with some salt and covered with a cheesecloth. And now we're going to show you how we put this together and make a delicious prime rib. These are chunks of pecan wood, and what I'm doing now is using the pecan wood just before I put the meat on the fire, so that the initial part of the cook, this first part where the meat actually absorbs smoke, it's just going to be that pecan flavor that I think is a really light, sweet flavor that's going to work really good with the beef. Now, I'm going to go ahead and drop my meat on the smoker, and then let's get cooking. I have my temperature being monitored by my Inkbird thermometer, and we want to be sitting between 250 and 275 throughout the whole cook. So that's getting some beautiful, delicious smokiness in the meat in the beginning of the cook. After about the first hour or so, after the smoke blows off, I'm not worried about smoking anymore. I'm merely just going to be worried about keeping my heat constant, and I don't need to check on the meat until 2 hours. That's when I'll go ahead and put my probe in and start to monitor that from that point on. Alright, so this should take us about 3.5, maybe 4 hours, but I want to get the center of the meat to medium rare, after which I will remove it from the smoker and sear it in the firebox. Just get a nice char on the outside, create a beautiful bark, and by that time the meat should only be at medium. All right, stay tuned. So right now, guys, we are 3 hours in. My internal temp is currently at 117. I've been probing that for an hour now. And so just waiting for it to get to 130. It's gonna start moving a little fast now. Get to 130, probably about 30-45 minutes, and that's when I'm gonna use the firebox to sear it. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Thank you for watching this video today. Steps and ingredients are going to be in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.